do you have?
Any, I don't got any children. Right?
Oh, mate.
No more.
Yeah, that's terrible, bro. Yeah. Oh.
You look like you are a good blogger.
Good. That's for the people that watch to decide, yeah.
No, because I say that, but I listen to you.
Okay.
So it's not just the look on the outside I'm talking about, but also on the inside.
Yeah.
You have to search people. You have to search.
Yeah, always scanning.
You search it from upstairs.
Yeah, you saw me up there. Yeah. Were you up there?
Yes,
okay.
But I don't say nothing.
No.
But if you look on your camera,
you'll be in the background, yeah.
This close to your camera.
What's he doing?
I observe you. I say, yo, wonder what this brother want from us inside of Trenchtown.
Yeah. I just want the reality. But yes, I don't want to focus on negatives, I want to see the good in the community. Yeah.
I know that is what you want.
All right, so far, this brother, the wisest brother so far. At least him observe and I say, what this man want? You know what I mean? This is how we need to start deal with anybody we're coming our surroundings. You know what I mean? Yeah. Observe him. Look. You know what I mean? Don't just let your guard down. But now I say, we for harm nobody. Just don't let your guards down. You know what I mean?
But I have to listen because it's not everyone.
Yeah.
They will come in your image.
Some people come
with the cameras.
With nefarious purposes.
I'm not talking about the color. I'm talking about the camera.
Yeah.
Not the color. The camera.
Yeah.
When you come in the camera and you come in Trenchtown and from 82, then you blackmail us. You left hurt around here.
Yeah.
So I have to listen to you and know what.
Something similar like this, the brother them in Brazil end up have to do. Because they realize that vloggers just put information out there because they want to make money. Not caring about, you know what I mean, what the police will do to the people them after the vlogger they left Ghana them country. You understand? And there was a situation where the police in Brazil ran into one favela and unalive a lot of people. Because of something that some vlogger put out. So we have to be cautious, we can't be no fool, we can't be no lamb to no slaughter. I'm like how the brother here I look at the thing. You know what I mean? Almost letting this devil, the white team man know. Say, look here man, watch where you are portray. Know where you are put out there. Because you can get you can make our life. You know what I mean? Put we in a trouble and make our life a living hell. So berate the brother here. Him observant and him more, what you call it, sober-minded, you know what I mean? Good job, brother.
What you up to? Because guys come around here with cameras and stuff, but they put out the worst for us.
They put a bad image on Trenchtown,
yes. So they make it look like we are suffer.
Yeah. There's some suffering, but there's a lot of uprising as well.
We believe in long suffering, but in different way. Our suffering, we are grateful for everything and we give thanks.
Yeah. Even for physical suffering, yeah?
Yes. Method about physical, spiritually, everything, just name it. You have to give thanks. You have to know to appreciate.
Yeah.
So from the moment you can appreciate, that is where the goodness comes. So, I have to live righteous. Even as a Rasta. If you're not clean, you're not righteous.
Yeah.
So I here make you righteous.
Yeah.
That is why you have that music. You don't have to have dread to be a Rasta.
Yeah.
It's purity.
It's a way of heart.
That is why I tell you don't need no speckles on your heart.
Yeah.
You have to be pure.
Yeah.
You have to be purified.
It's a sign.
You have to go through that refineness.
It's a sign I'll remember.
Refineness fire.
Yeah. And we're all flawed as well. We all make mistakes. You know?
That's why
we're human.
That's why you got in the refineness fire.
Yeah.
Refineness fire is what purer from silver to gold.
How much is our craft beer equipment?
Yeah, man, and just remember to like, follow, subscribe, share.
Beer equipment, which we have sold.
This is my label, my business, me and my mom.
Yeah, sweet.
We do tours.
Yeah.
We carry through the inner cities.
Yeah.
So that is why you see inner city.
So which parts do you take them to? Not just Trenchtown, where else?
Not just Trenchtown. We have different communities that will take you guys through.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Heritage side. So if you like you want to see dancehall artists,
yeah,
the background, where they're coming from, where there's music, created.
You know where to take them.
We know where to take.
I hate to tell Jamaican people to turn the music down, but
You
yeah.
know that's a sin.
I know it is a sin. Yeah, I hate doing it. But they take
Let
my
me
video
introduce
down.
Rimshot. My name is Rimshot.
Nice to meet you. I've got greasy fingers. Let's do it that way, yeah. Let's do it this way, yeah.
I am Rimshot from the Mystic
Rimshot.
Revealers.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Rimshot.
Rim shot.
Yeah, when you're the jungle, pack! That's Rimshot. Mystic Revealers, okay?
Yeah.
You're familiar with the Mystic Revealers?
No, I'm not now. I'm learning.
God damn. How old are you?
41.
God damn.
Sorry.
Don't be sorry, my brother. That's 41 years without a blessing. Because I don't keep friends. Everyone is my family.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
No. We didn't come here to eat, sleep, drink, and fool around. We came here on a mission. You picked your mother and father. They didn't pick you.
Okay. Yeah.
Because we came from the time when you have contraceptives, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? And I don't know about the next man, but I love woman with respect and honor.
Yeah.
Because without them, there is no I and I. Correct?
Yes.
I'm not into the judging of anything. I don't come here to judge no one.
No.
I leave that to God. If you don't believe in a God, that's your problem.
Yep.
Because if I was an Aborigine, I follow the vibe as them. If I say bumbleclot, that's not a bad word.
Yep.
Because if you're Japanese, you know what the hell I just said.
Exactly, yeah. Context.
If I said Leoma, a
Yeah.
Chinese man would probably chop your ass up.
Yeah.
Leoma.
Yeah.
Right? No, my grandmother, great grandmother, she looks like Silver Fox. Speaks no goddamn English.
Really, yeah?
Every blood in me.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And this creation, even a cockroach has a spot. Live and let live. Alright? Every man doesn't have red blood, we have blue blood. When you cut it and oxygen touches it, it becomes burgundy. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All of we are a family. You're a winner, innit? Remember when you left your father? You were like a tadpole.
Yeah, the little race.
A little sperm. And there's a million of them swimming with you.
Yeah.
So you're a winner.
There's probably more than a million. The odds are like, I don't know, some scientists
All
will put
I
in the
knew was
comments.
this. If I don't make it, dog me on my supper.
Yeah, yeah.
And I'm not a dog either.
No.
Because a dog has gonorrhea.
Yeah.
All right? A dog cleans himself. I don't do that. I'm a lion. The first sound you hear is your mother's heartbeat going tuk, 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 tuk.
Yeah, it's a beat.
That's the
It's
tempo.
metronomic.
That's the tempo on the metronome. When you take the metronome, that's the tempo reggae plays on. That's why
Yeah.
everybody can connect
Yeah, it
with
is,
it. You know?
yeah.
If I speed it up, it becomes techno.
Yeah.
It becomes body music.
It's just, that's just an excited heart.
If you'll be sitting down, you don't know what the hell that idiot is singing now, right? And you start your foot not move because of the tempo.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah? You see, if you slow it down, it becomes jazz. I'm talking from reggae on the metronome.
Yeah, yeah. Either side.
Yeah, exactly. No. This is when they made the drum machine. You know who it's called? Sly Dunbar. Sly Dunbar, Sly and Robbie.
No?
Famous production
Yeah.
drummer. One of the best drummer and bass in Jamaica. Because what we're here to do is build the church and music schools. Okay?
Yeah.
But if I want my people to eat fish, I have to teach them how to fish.
Absolutely, yeah.
That's what we invest in, people.
Yep.
Good? Anyway. You find now that the drum machine came around and they asked Sly Dunbar to program. You know, when you press reggae on a Casio,
Yeah.
he programmed that.
He programmed that beat,
So,
the reggae
yeah,
beat.
fuck yeah.
I remember
Here
like
comes the genie in the box.
on the Casio. I remember reggae. I remember like, was it like Bossa Nova?
Yeah, the fuck some man.
There was a couple more as well. Yeah, no,
like,
yeah,
what the fuck?
yeah,
Now this is when you're gonna take the human. Look, you're gonna take the human feeling out
yeah,
and put in.
and make it machine. Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, there's no rest. Because when you're counting, 4 beats make a bar.
Yeah.
You're 1 and 2. That's a breath. 1
Yeah.
and 2 and 3 and 4.
I cannot thank enough the residents of Trenchtown for opening up their community to me in a way that I'm sure you would not see if you came on an organised tour. Some connections in the community would not have been possible if it wasn't for the awesome vlogger Chris Must List, a pal of mine. But I just want to thank you, Chris, if you're watching, for the connections you've given me in this rich, vibrant, unique and amazing part of Jamaica that's touched almost every corner of the world. A downtrodden community historically that has always risen up and created a footprint, a cultural and musical footprint on the world that is like no other. I hope I've shown you the real Trenchtown, because this has opened my eyes and made me fall in love with this part of Kingston, of Jamaica, for the rest of my life. Thanks for watching, folks.
Alright, so only just member subscribe, like, you know what I mean, share, you know the thing already. You understand? So we're gonna continue doing some of these reviews, you know what I mean? Yeah man, and then we'll see how it goes. So until next time, you know what I mean? Everybody, shalom.